beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. I am Shauna. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Here on this channel you find a lot of makeup looks like this here one which I've done in the previous video, or you'll find fashion hauls, fashion lookbooks, beauty tips, so on and so forth. So I do hope you enjoy your stay on my channel. Now I wanted to talk especially to the ladies or to the gents who wax their body. I don't know about you, but since this whole pandemic we're not able to go out and get our waxing done, and a lot of us find it a little bit more on the expensive side to go out and get waxing done as well. So if you want to do something from your home, I have found something that you can use in the privacy of your home and it's inexpensive. So basically I wax myself since this whole pandemic. I've been waxing myself. I don't shave, and I also don't do laser because that is way too expensive. Now, I used to use the Veet Waxing Strip, but I end up using the whole box because my skin gotta be without hair, honey, basically. So I usually use up the whole box, but I wanted to find something that was, you know, more effective and also didn't take as much effort. So I decided to go ahead and on Amazon, and I found the Veet Oriental Wax, and it looks like this. I will show you up close and personal how it looks. So basically it's the type of wax that you heat in your microwave for about 30 seconds or 60 seconds, and when it gets warm you just apply it on your body. It comes with the strips as well, so you just put it on your body and you just wax all the hair that you want to get rid of. It's, guys, I promise you, I don't like waxing, but it's what I do because it's effective for me. But this one, it doesn't hurt so much and it smells divine. So if you want to get your waxing done, I would highly suggest that you try out this Veet Waxing Kit. Now I'm going to open it for you guys. I am actually on my second box. So this is my first box and it's about to be finished. So I bought another one just because, you know, I like it so much. Now, guys, it comes with, I'm going to open the new box because the old box is a bit tatty. So in the box, guys, it comes with 250 ml of wax. It looks like that, and then of course it comes with some waxing strips, but I buy extra on Amazon as well, and it also comes with the little waxing applicator like this, of course, and it comes with an instructions manual so you can know what to do, and if it's, you know, all that sort of things. You want to read this manual before you start to use the waxing. Now guys, I've tried it before and it was very effective, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys, some of you are looking for more affordable ways of looking after your skin and looking after your body, getting rid of the hair, and I would say go ahead and try this Veet Oriental Waxing. Now they reckon that you shouldn't use it on your private parts, but I've tried it on mine and it didn't seem to affect me or irritate me, but use at your own risk. Please read the manual and read the instructions to see how you can go about using this Veet Wax. Now, as I said, guys, I'm on my second bottle and I'm going to be doing a demo for you guys so you can see that it actually works. It doesn't hurt as much as the others. I have done a lot of waxing in my life and some of them are so painful, you guys. I'm like, oh, do I really want to wax my body? But this one, you get quite a good amount and you can use it several times all over your body. But as I said, read the instructions, and if you think you are allergic to any of the ingredients, I would just not bother. I'm going to go ahead and show you a demo so you can see how this actually works. So here's a tip, guys. Before you wax your body, I would say exfoliate before you do so it kind of softens your skin, so it's easier for the waxing to be done and it wouldn't hurt as much. So I'm going to show you guys what I use to exfoliate my skin. I sometimes use the Shaunz coffee scrub, or I use a scrub that I bought on Amazon as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you those scrubs so you can have a look at them, but they really work and they really soften my skin and makes it easier to wax after I've exfoliated my skin. Now guys, as I said, please make sure that you go ahead and read the instructions before you use this waxing kit. But I've tried it before and it hasn't done anything to my skin. So this is why I went ahead and bought another bottle just in case, you know, when this one finishes, at least I have something on the side. But yes, guys, I really do like this waxing kit from Veet. And I'm going to be using it for the time being until I'm able to get back in the salon, or I'm able to get somebody to come and wax my body for me, because I'm not going to be shaving my skin because that causes way too many hair bumps and the hair grows back coarser and quicker. So I always opt for waxing. Guys, it doesn't hurt. If it had hurt, you would have seen my face, but it doesn't hurt. Smells so good as well. So as you can see, guys, I'm doing it in small sections. It's more effective that way. Takes longer, but it's more effective when you go by small sections. Let me finish this off camera, then come back. Okay guys, so I've finished one arm and this is what I got. It's super effective. It doesn't hurt. You didn't see me make up my face or anything. It works really well and it's not messy. That's what I like about this product as well. It's not messy. My armpit is clean. Sorry, it's a bit discolored, but I used to have really darker armpits, but you know, constantly waxing helped it to kind of fade out. I used to have really dark armpits, but waxing has helped a lot, and it depends on the type of roll-on you use as well. So make sure to, you know, be careful of the deodorant that you use, because it can sometimes make your armpits darker. So this is what it's looking like, guys. It's quite clean. There is absolutely no hair. This one has a bit of hair, so I'm going to clean that one up right now and come back. But you guys can see that this works. It's quite effective, doesn't hurt, and it's clean as a whistle. You don't even have to use anything like oil to clean off the excess, whatever is left. You don't have to do that because it leaves no mess at all. All I did was warm my wax in the microwave for about 30 seconds or maybe 40 seconds, and then it gets a bit watery. Then I used my little applicator to put it on, and then I wax. Very effective, guys. No joke, very effective. About to do the legs, guys. Don't know if you can see the hairs on my leg, but we're going to. Smells so good. Do that. And don't know if you can see. My hairs are quite fine. And then we're going to continue throughout. I might have to warm this up a bit more, guys, because it does get cool. It does cool down, so I might have to pop it back in the microwave to warm up again, but it warms up quickly. So no problem. So guys, this is definitely, honestly, this works like a charm. It's getting thick again, so I have to go ahead and pop it back in the microwave. But guys, this thing does work. I promise you. And it doesn't even hurt. I absolutely hate waxing because I hate the process, but I love the results, if you know what I mean. And this doesn't hurt. Maybe it's just me, but it's not hurting. I'm not screaming or anything, guys. It works so well. I'm going to warm this up, guys, because it's gotten too cold. But basically, don't know if you can see the hairs in the wax. They're quite fine. But yeah. So guys, after I'm finished, I use some oil, and I think this is from Salon Perfect. I'll find it and leave it on the screen for you, but I use this to sort of take off the excess stickiness and also to soothe my skin after I've waxed, so my skin is nice and smooth. And there is absolutely no stickiness because this is a very good oil. It takes off all the excess wax off your skin. So that's it, guys. Make sure that you go ahead and pick up one of these, do your research, and see if it will, you know, if the ingredients are okay for you and everything like that. So go ahead and try this out and let me know your thoughts on it. All right, thanks for watching. Alright my lovelies, so I do hope you found this video helpful. I will leave the link in the description box down below. That will be the link for the Amazon UK site. I'm not quite sure about the Amazon for the US, but I'm sure you can find it there as well. So let me know if you found this helpful, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Go ahead and comment and let me know what you use for your waxing, or if you shave or if you laser. Let me know what you do to get rid of the hair on your bodies, or if you just leave them like that, because a lot of people, they like to leave the hair on their skin because it you know, it protects your skin. But for me, I don't like to feel hair on my skin, and I don't like to see hair on my skin, so I always try and get rid of it. The only part I want to see hair is on my head, darling, nowhere else. So I always opt for something like waxing. But finding this, you guys, I am so amazed by it, and I'm going to keep on using it until I'm able to, you know, go to the salons or get somebody to come and do it for me. So yes, let me know your thoughts on this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, you guys. Subscribe down below as well, and of course turn the notifications on. And yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Mwah.